Welcome back to the Masteriyo tutorials. In this video, we learn to create the instructor registration page using Masteriyo's instructor registration shortcode. So to begin with, open your WordPress dashboard, go to Pages and click on Add New. So your next step is to give the page a name. Here we have named it Instructor Registration Page. When you're done with that, click on the Add Block button and search for the shortcode block. And finally, type the shortcode visible on our screen, as this is the shortcode for the instructor registration. And click on the Publish button at the top of the page. This means now your instructor registration page has been published. Your next step is to go back to your WordPress dashboard. Here, click on Masteriyo and open the Settings tab. Next, click on General and open Pages. You'll see a section called Instructor Registration Page, where you need to click on the drop-down to select the page you have just created. To save the changes, don't forget to click on Save Settings button down here. And finally, your instructor registration page will be displayed in your site and will be visible as shown in the screen. Also, by default, the registration form looks like this. So with that said, we have made it to the end of our video, and thank you for watching, and we'll catch you on our next one.